Continuing to look into the arrest of Wausau Fire EMS Division Chief Jared Thompson. This afternoon, the Department of Justice announced he's been arrested on 3 counts of misconduct in office and 2 counts of theft. With us now is Bree Bilak with the criminal complaint. Bree, explain to us what happened.
Well, Dale, according to the criminal complaint, News Channel 7 obtained, Jared Thompson is accused of taking hundreds of vials of narcotics that he had access to as the EMS division chief. His team members told investigators they believe that he used them. The criminal complaint says misconduct took place between January of 2024 and June of this year. It alleges Wausau Fire Department's EMS Division Chief Jared Thompson intentionally took about $1,700 worth of the department's fentanyl and hydromorphone. Thompson was solely responsible for ordering the department's narcotics. 515 vials of hydromorphone was purchased from Aspirus between January 1st and June 16th of this year, more than 6 times the 84 bought last year. Of those vials, 30 were either used or disposed of, and 486 vials were unaccounted for or diverted. 675 vials were purchased in the same time frame this year. Compare that to 220 bought last year and 92 in 2023. 64 were used or disposed of this year, and 612 vials were unaccounted or diverted. The Aspirus Wausau Hospital Pharmacy fulfilled orders for the Wausau Fire Department. Investigators were told Thompson would come in on a weekly basis the last couple of months and buy at least 10 vials ahead of the weekend, whereas normally members would get 5 or fewer. More recently, Thompson would pick up another 3 controlled substances a second time on the same day. Fellow employees noticed Thompson was acting suspiciously. That's when Chief Jeremy Kopp asked the State Department of Justice to investigate. The complaint goes on to say staff noticed blood spots, pieces of safety seals for fentanyl vials, and disposable tourniquets after he'd used a Station Bay bathroom. Thompson also would come into the fire department on his off days, including Father's Day, which staff say was unusual for him. This is Thompson last year when News Channel 7 spoke to him on opioid overdoses.
And it's kind of becoming a common theme.
This interview from February of 2024 falls within the alleged time frame of misconduct stated in the criminal complaint.
The paramedics are telling us is that it requires stronger doses of Narcan than in years past, which is telling us that the substances are stronger.
Thompson is currently on leave from the Wausau Fire Department. In a prepared statement earlier today, Wausau Fire Chief Jeremy Kopp said, quote, "This situation is deeply painful for our Wausau Fire Department family," end quote, but states the department will continue to serve Wausau with, quote, "the highest standards of professionalism." Thompson is set to appear in court tomorrow for an initial appearance.